This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Hurry on this affordable 4-bedroom, 2-bath 2,322 square feet manufactured home on 2.05 acres. Quiet location west/sounds of babbling creek running through back of property. Large open floor plan west/living, family and even large bonus room attached to primary bedroom. Kitchen is large west/stainless steel appliances. There is a wood stove for warm winter heating. There is a covered deck out back overlooking the wooded area with creek behind. Owner has property fenced and has previously had chickens, goats and pigs. Nice sized pasture area perfect for horses or plenty or room for gardening, fruit trees or putting in a shop, etc. Quiet location yet under 10 minutes to I-5. If you're wanting a beautiful private setting to make your own, this is it. For more information, review the details below or contact